Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a METATRON. So what's this a METATRON? AI-powered penetration testing assistant for using like local LLM for a OZNet tools. So METATRON is like CLI-based AI penetration testing assistant that run entirely on your local machine. No cloud, no APIs, no subscriptions is required. So you give a target IP or a domain, it can run like a real record. Tools like Nmap, Whois, Whatweb, Curl, Dig, Nikto. It feeds like all the results to a locally run AI model and the AI analyzes the target and identifies the vulnerabilities and suggests like exploit and recommends like fixes like everything and gets like saved in the Maria database, like in your Maria database with full scan history. Now, what are the main features we are going to get here? The main features we are going to get here as local AI analysis powered by a Metatron Queen. Like Olamma runs 100% offline and automated recon like Nmap, Whois, Lookup, Whatweb, Curl, headers, dig, DNS recons and etc. things we can going to be done. And when it go for a web search, it use like DuckDuckGo where you can see like in the Tor browser DuckDuckGo search engine is going to be utilized and it can also look up like CVE. No any API keys is required. It not required any API keys. So MariaDB is like a backend for full scan history with file link tables. And you can also edit and delete and modify any save results directly from CLI. And agentic loop like AI can request more tools and run like meta-analysis. And here like no API keys, no subscription, nothing will be getting here. So Metatron allows you to export a scan results into clean shareable export, a format like a view history and select and export it like in the PDF. Now we would like to look here. This is like a Metatron we have got it here. We would like to try to come back here. So for this installations and setup it's take a little bit lengthy time process, so I have set up and clone the repository already. So you look here, I already have here. Look here, I already clone the repository as a Metatron. So if you want to clone like this, you can clone this a Metatron, so we don't require that one. Now let's just type here as clear. So you just need to enable the virtual environment. After that you just need to type here as pip3 install minus r requirements.txt. Once this is done, that's quite interesting. So I have downloaded the Olamma, okay, here as a Olamma I have downloaded. Now once I have downloaded the Olamma, you can look like here as a Olamma list. So in this case as a Olamma list, what you need to do here like you just need to type here like we would like to type here as Olamma create like a Metatron twin of like model file. So model file. So if you type here, that's going to be create like here as, let me just type here as first here as a Olamma list. So you just need to be download this one first. Uh, Latest this one. So once you download this one, then you just need to type here as Olamma create a Metatron Queen file like a mode file. So here, I would like to try to show you here. Less minus a. So here have a mode file. So we would like to try to get this a mode file utilizing here less minus a as model file. We can look like here we have a model file and LLM for this Metatron Queen latest. So for what we would like to do here as Olamma, we would like to type here as create. So if you try to enter, this will try to create another like here a Metatron Queen a latest. Okay, now let me just type here as clear. So once this is done, now you just need to type here as a my SQL minus u as a root. So this you going to be get like here as a error So you just enter. So you just show here, like you just type here show tables, no database, uh, show a databases. You can look like here I have created like Metatron. Okay, so for the Metatron also, I would like to try to show you here as I exit. Now after this one you created, you just type here as you just also need to be create like here as mysql minus u as a Metatron, password as 123, as a database as a Metatron. Now that's it. Now just type here as show tables. We can see here like exploited is attempted, fixes, history, summaries, and vulnerabilities. We have got it here, everything clearly. So for that you just need to try to create here. Come back. We would like to try to look it out here. We just need to try to, oh, this is taking a little bit lengthy time process. So you just need to try to create like here as uh, everything. So once this is done, we have got it here. So after this one done, we just type it as exit. We have got it here very clearly. Now we can look like here as a Metatron. I'm running like Metatron like Queen. Okay, that's automatically is running. Now just type it as a list minus a. Now just type put here as hmod plus x as metatron.python. That's it. Now let's just type it as clear. You just type it as Python 3. Uh, Metatron.python. That's it. So we have got it here as a Metatron. Now you want to do like a go for as new scan. So first of all, we just need to try as new scan. Enter the targeted IPR domain. So I would like to try to test first my a local IP address. Now you want to do like try with run all. So you would like to try to utilize like nmap, whois, whatweb, curl, dig, nicto, either like run all except like nicto, run all plus nicto. So I just put like as yeah. Now it's going to be starting like a nmap scan. So this will automatically utilize us here as a nicto, like nmap, whois, whatweb, curl, headers, everything. So this will utilize us this AI model and get the all results. So we would like to wait for it, and we would like to try to also look like here as a search with the census. Now I would like to try to look like here as like something like a IP. We would like to try to look it out here. We would like to try to look here. Nmap scan is done. Who is record? What web? It's going to be getting out here. Everything. So when it go for a local things, everything is totally very easy. So it is was built for a parrot OS. You can look like here. A penetration testing assistant with the model. Dig is done of any. Recon is completed. Now it's going to be utilizing as an icto with the targeted things. So we would like to wait for it as an icto. Then we would like to try to utilize here as this targeted IP address. Next. So I would like to target this targeted IP address. So we would like to try to wait for it. Now, after this get everything, so this will send a Metatron Queen Bee to this one, and this AI is going to be analyze everything, and it's going to be write a report in the MySQL database. So we just need to wait for it for this one. So all the results, whichever you have got it here, all the results, it's going to be export to the Metatron Queen AI, and that will analyze what is what, and that going to be get you the results here. We just need to wait for it. Now either you can ask here, uh, hi there, can you help with pen testing? Unless we would like to try to wait for it. So while installing all the local AIs, so that's going to be take your little bit lengthy time process, so we just need to wait for it. So it's also taking a little bit lengthy time process. So let's we would like to try to look it out here. In this case, come back here. After this one get, now after this one is done, the AI is going to be getting you as a response here. Let's we would like to try to look it out here. After this one done, recon tool running in the target. Okay, we would like to try to look it out here. I would like to try to look it out here. So that's going to be identify like a vulnerabilities in this way. We would like to try to look here as a scan is running. In this case, a scan is running. So this now, the Metatron AI is sent to the AI analysis. So we just need to wait for it. So it's going to be take a more and lengthy time process. So we just need to wait for it how long it's going to be taken, because we're running everything in the locally. Uh, that's the reason it's going to be take a little bit lengthy time process also to progress this one. After this one, we would like to try to look here as a result. Now we would like to try to look it out. Let me just try to quit this because it's taking a lengthy time process. So we would like to try here as MySQL minus u as Metatron. Password is 123 as Metatron. Now just type here as show tables. Now you just type here as select a star from vulnerabilities. Just type here as and try to paste it. So this is like an empty. So this AI, it's go for start for analyzing. We just need to wait until we get it this one. We would like to try to wait for it. How long it's going to be take it out, this one. Also you can try to look like here as select star from fixes 0 seconds. Still this is empty. Then you can try here as a exploit attempted. Okay, exploits attempted. So still not it here. We would like to try to look here as a summary. So it's still as a empty. So this is going to be take a little bit lengthy time process to get out everything here. So let's so all the data need to be sent to the AI. Then AI will analyze and get you the results similar like this. So we just need to wait until this AI get pop up. So while getting like AI into the local things, it may take a more and lengthy time process. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling. Have a great day.